Hey y'all, welcome back to We Be Jamming Gears. Guess what it's doing? It's snowing here in Old Valley Center, Kansas. And I have a project that I got to get done this soon. I really don't want to drive my diesel all winter. Yeah, it needs some work, but it's still drivable. But I sold my little S10 pickup to buy this 2002 or 3 zr2 Blazer that needs a transmission. I need to do a little looking underneath. I think it needs an oil pan gasket. But I think I got a hell of a deal on this thing. It's a Nevada truck, a Nevada Blazer. This thing has zero rust. When I say zero. This thing is really clean. And it got a couple mice that were underneath the hood. They kind of ate some wires that I need to, get it fixed. But this thing is... I don't know what that was. But this thing is pretty clean, like really clean. It does need a little bit of a, go get it detailed. But has 181,000, I think. 181,233 miles on it. Needs a transmission, but it's not real bad pickup or Blazer. I've always wanted one. My mom hates me right now because this thing is exactly what she wants. When I say exactly. But I think I found one for her. I just got to do a little talking to the people. So, yeah. But 181,000 miles, zero rust, has all matching wheels and tires, and, the spare, full-size spare. You need to do a little bit of, little detail stuff, but this thing is like clean. Got a hell of steel on it, but like I said, I found another one. I think we're gonna go talk to them or do something in the lines of see if I can purchase it, because I want to keep this one, and I found another one, and I don't know. Like to keep this one or give this to my mom, or keep this one and give the other one to my mom. The other one has like 120,000 miles, and it has a little bit of rust issues, kind of right there. But I have a guy that can kind of fix that. Oh, hey, Hershey and sister. That's my new one. I got it, what was it? Not last Friday, but Friday before. Friday, something like that. Either way. But not this last Friday before, yeah. And her name's Hershey. She's a chocolate lab healer. So, yeah. Sorry I haven't been posting a lot. I've been working. I gotta work today. And it's gotten cold. I need to find me a stove for my shop. I have one at the pellet, but it's not doing its job, or I gotta figure out how to let it produce some more heat. Yeah, I'll probably have to insulate it or do something, but I haven't done that. So let me, I'll get back with you. But like I said, I gotta get that thing running. It is running, but it has a couple wires, and it's been eaten by mice. I'm not happy with it, and so I gotta get that done. Got a buddy, it's a more wire guy that can do that stuff, and so yeah. But all right, I'll let you go. I'll talk to you later.